I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain oxygen tanks. These essential devices safely store oxygen for various applications, from medical support to industrial processes. Understanding their design and manufacturing is crucial, as they are high-pressure vessels engineered with extreme precision. It's important to recognize that creating an oxygen tank requires specialized knowledge, materials, and adherence to rigorous safety standards to prevent catastrophic failures. Oxygen tanks are constructed from robust materials like high-strength steel or specific aluminum alloys, chosen for their durability and ability to withstand immense internal pressure. A crucial element is the cylinder valve, which precisely regulates the flow of oxygen. Additionally, safety relief devices are integrated to prevent dangerous overpressurization, and a protective cap safeguards the valve assembly from accidental impact or damage. The manufacturing of oxygen tanks involves sophisticated industrial processes. Methods like deep drawing or seamless extrusion are used to form the cylinder body, ensuring a uniform wall thickness. Following this, heat treatment is applied to enhance the metal's strength and integrity. Each tank undergoes rigorous testing, including hydrostatic pressure tests and ultrasonic inspections, to verify its structural soundness. Finally, internal surfaces are meticulously cleaned to prevent contamination of the oxygen. Safety is paramount with oxygen tanks, as they store gas at extremely high pressures, often exceeding 2,000 pounds per square inch. Their design and production are governed by stringent national and international safety regulations to ensure reliability. It is critical to understand that only certified manufacturers, with specialized equipment and expertise, are authorized to produce these complex vessels. Attempting to construct or modify an oxygen tank without proper certification is incredibly dangerous and strongly discouraged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.